G'day! In today's video I've got an Acer Aspire 3 Spin 14 with the model number N23H3. And what I'll be doing with this one is a whole top half replacement of the laptop. So let's go. To start off with, we're going to need to take out all the screws, all of which are of the same length. Now the clips on this are pretty good at holding it all together, so even with all the screws out, this particular one actually wants to stay together, which is quite surprising. There you go. Now I use this thin metal pry tool just to pop it at the front. Just enough to put a thick plastic pry tool in and pop it around. I've still got one screw in. Okay. Now the first thing I'm going to want to do here is to disconnect the battery. This one over here. That back. So we have the battery disconnected. Now I want to disconnect the antenna cables. 1, 2. And then I want to untape them from here, work it around, okay, and then similar over here. Flick this up, pull it up, and I want to fold the laptop forward. As you'll see, actually, I need to also undo 3 screws, or 6 screws in total. On the hinges, it'd be a bit hard to disconnect it with the hinges still attached. Now if I fold it forward, 1, 2, flip it like a book, move that out of the way. Grab the next one, get the cables out of the way, slide it up and under, and fold it back. Now, make sure I'm not crushing that cable. There we go. Now reverse and put those 6 screws back in. Next up from here, I'm going to connect the video cable. So fold this sticky bit back, make sure that's sticking upright, and slide it down on a little bit of an angle, and should be looking something like that. And then that should be able to fold back over, fold over. Put these ones over here under these little latches. Not that it really matters that these go under here or not. Over, under, over. I tend to line up just above it, then push on top. Should make a little click, and when they're attached I should be able to swivel relatively freely, just like that. Up, push it down. Yeah, we're good. Attached, routed, battery back in, battery cover, back cover back on, push. Go. lastly, these screws back in. So with that, there's really not much more to it. So replacing the screen assembly is quite straightforward. Replacing the display by itself is a bit more of a task, but I don't need to do that today. So if that does come up, I'll probably go down the path of that. But in reality, I just bought, it was cheaper to buy a whole second-hand Celeron or N100, Intel N100 processor laptop than it was to buy the screen by itself. So that is what I did in this particular instance. Anyway, hope that helps. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.